What is up, YouTube? It is almost Christmas time and I am super excited about it. So go ahead and smash that like button if you're excited for Christmas. I'm sure you can tell by the thumbnail, we are making a crewmate and the imposter. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe for more super awesome content. And now for the real reason you're here, let's get to it. I've been sitting on this head that I messed up on. Go back a few videos to see how it was made in the Finding Frankie video. And I thought that could be the basis for the imposter. So let's do it. And they are done. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But until then, let's go on to their glamour shots.